Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can connect your Airtable with StackAI. There's no direct automation available within Airtable to connect to it to StackAI, so you would have to use a third-party tool called Zapier. Simply go to Zapier and from the left panel click on Create button and then click on Zaps button. This will open up a new page where you will be able to connect Airtable with StackAI. Here on this page, simply click on Trigger, which is the first module, and select Airtable. If you cannot find Airtable, you can search for it. Here in the trigger event, simply click on choose an event and you get two options, new record and new or updated record. I'm going to select for new record. So what it's going to do is whenever there is a new record added in my Airtable, it is going to start this automation or trigger this automation. That is perfect. Now simply connect your Airtable account with Zapier. There will be a sign in button. You have to click on it and it will open up this page for you where you will be able to connect your account. You just have to provide grant access and it will be connected. Once you do that, simply click on the second module, which is the action module. Here search for stack. It will ask you for your organization ID and public token. So you would have to provide these from your StackAI account to sign into Zapier. Once you do that, press continue to StackAI and your account will be connected. Once you do that, you are pretty much all done with the automation. Now you just have to press this publish button from the top right corner and your automation will be set up and running. So this was a very simple and easy tutorial on how you can connect Airtable with StackAI. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.